Probably heard every excuse and made them yourself. I can't eat healthy because I'm too busy, because I can't afford it, or because I don't like the taste. Fitness pro Diana Chaloux-LaCerte has some go-to ideas that make meal prep actually healthy, fast, and easy. We've got some flavorful hacks that are going to make your life so much easier if you're trying to stick to a diet or also just are on the go all the time, because that's so many people's lifestyle right now.
Yes, I think that's probably the thing that we hear the most is everybody is busy. And so they're like, how do I stay healthy, or how do I lose weight when I'm on the go? I've got kids, I've got a busy career, maybe I travel a lot. These are the things we hear all the time. So we have some quick, simple solutions that can keep you on a healthy track. One of my go-tos for when I'm busy during the day are just the simple Starkist little tuna packets. There's other brands of them too. These don't need to be refrigerated, so you literally, when you're ready to eat it, you can just tear it open and it's ready to go. I like to actually pair these with some brown rice. If you have time to cook some rice at home, like the slow way, that's great. If not, there are the little minute rices. They make brown and wild rice. They actually make quinoa in these now. It's 1 minute in the microwave and it's done. You can pair together. You got a good carb and a good protein. Mix them together. It's a great little quick, super fast meal. And then one of my favorite things that I like to flavor things with.
I love this.
These are my favorite. I love these things. So a little sprinkle goes a long way. These are called Colonel Seasons. They're in the popcorn aisle. My favorite is the ranch. Micah's favorite is the white cheddar. So, but you can put these on your vegetables. You can put them in your little meal combos. You can put them on meats. You can put them on eggs. Any of those things. And the nice thing is for people that really like ranch dressing or they really like cheese flavor, you don't need a lot, but it's about 2 calories for about 1/4 teaspoon. So you're just putting a little sprinkle, but it gives a lot of flavor, so it makes it so you can stick with eating healthy and you actually enjoy eating healthy. If you have time to prep veggies at home at night, excellent. If you don't, a great alternative is really frozen veggies that you can steam in the bag. So a lot of people, I don't have time to eat veggies. There's so many varieties of steam in the bag veggies now. You throw them in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes. They're cooked perfectly. So there you go. If you don't want to do frozen, this is an organic cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is great for dinner if you're used to having rice or something that's starchy. This can take the place of it. This one just sautés up really quickly on the stovetop, but there are also frozen versions of this that you can just pop in the microwave if you'd like.
Maybe give us a demo on if you were using the electric skillet at home.
Okay, and this is my electric skillet. I actually use this thing pretty much every night. So what I prefer to do is, this just goes right on my countertop. I plug it in, and then this is my favorite tool ever. I put a little bit of water in here. This, I mean, you can ask Micah, this is me every night. Boom. So you can do it with your squash, zucchinis, and it just makes that prep super fast. I pop the lid on, I cook it for like 10 to 12 minutes, and my veggies are pretty much just kind of steamed them, and so they're done.
We got the Greek yogurt there, and let's say maybe you needed a dose of sweetness, a little bit something.
Yes.
Plain's just a little too bland.
Yes, so Greek yogurt's great. I always just do the 0% Greek yogurt. The snack packs are great if you're someone that does dairy. But what I do, my secret, is I take a little bit of Magnum Quattro, the protein powder. So this even gives it a little more protein boost. This one has already protein. We got 15 grams of protein in this little pack, so that's great. But we're gonna even bump it up a little more. I'll take a little scoop of vanilla Quattro, mix it in there. It's gonna give it a little sweetness and vanilla, and then maybe a little bit of stevia and a little bit of cinnamon, and like you will feel like you're having a dessert. But it's a protein packed, super easy. I mean, you can get these and just take them with you and have them at work or when you're traveling.
So if you didn't pick up on this, Diana likes the idea of eating protein, veggies, and fat all together. You can find some awesome healthy recipes in her book, The Hitch Fit Living Cookbook. Bill?